Today I'm going to be showing you a few hinge and hinge plate combinations. Now starting with the hinges, we have a full overlay hinge, looks like this. And we have a half cranked or a half overlay hinge, looks like this. Now where your door will sit on your cabinet all depends on the plate and the hinge combination. This is called the door overlay. For example, let's start with the 0mm plate. As you see here, we have two different varieties. This is the straight 0mm plate, and this is a winged version. Both are for a frameless cabinet. Now, along with the full overlay straight armed hinges, we will connect these. And that combination will give you a full overlay. Covers a complete side of your 3/4 or 18mm thick cabinet. Now this can change depending on the bore pattern, but we're going to talk more about that later because then you can really fine tune things. Now let's pretend we have a frameless cabinet and we want to put a door on both sides, but we want to keep the same 0mm base plate. No problem. You would just at that point use the half overlay or a half cranked hinge. Clip that on, close it, and that will give you just the perfect overlay once the door is in place, just like that. In other words, you could put another door next to it like so and have a perfect overlay. That combination will be a 0mm base plate and a half overlay door hinge. Depending on what hinge you buy and depending on what plate you buy, you can have an infinite amount of overlay for your cabinet door to make it fit just the way you want it.